The kit includes one plug-in receiver and one solar motion sensor. The kit has been programmed before shipment, so we need to turn on the solar motion sensor. If you face the solar panel to the light source, you will see the on-off button will be green. Cover the solar panel, it will off. Okay, it means the solar panel works properly. How to turn on the solar motion sensor? Press the on-off button 4 times. And the sensor has several short beepers prompt, and the indicated light will be red. Wait about 30 seconds, and then we plug the receiver into the outlet. If work properly, the zone number will flash one by one for 3 times. Okay, the on-off button will be off, and then we can wave your hands in front of the sensor eye. Okay, try again. Okay, if you want to turn off the sensor, press the on-off button 3 times, and it has a long beep prompt. Thank you.